Hi guys, it's Asia and today I've prepared for you a video about a simple and easy way to transform any simple sentence into a complex Band 7 plus sentence. My question for you is, do complex sentences matter in Ielts? The answer is a lot. If you want to get Band 7 for your grammar, you have to use different kinds of complex sentences in your essays. You also have to use complex grammatical structures, which is a slightly different thing. But today I will show you one method of writing complex sentences. And in the future, I will make new videos about different methods, and as soon as I do it, I will add links to the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with Ielts Academic Writing Task 1. We have 3 pie charts showing music sales in years 2002, 2007 and 2012. Let's talk about rock. As you can see, it was the most popular genre throughout the period. And sales actually increased from 2002 to 2012. Can you see that? Okay, and here is our first simple sentence. Sales of rock music increased from 31 to 40% throughout the period. Now we want to add another simple sentence into the first one to make it complex. So we're adding some additional information. Rock music was the most popular genre of music. So we insert this sentence into the first one and we connect them with the word which. The second sentence starts with words rock music. So we insert it afterwards rock music in the first sentence. Does it make sense? Well, that's the sentence we get. Sales of rock music, which was the most popular genre, increased from 31 to 40% throughout the period. And don't forget to put commas before and after the sentence you insert. Now, have a look at the R&B trend. It was the second most popular genre in 2002 and 2012, right? But it's only the third most popular in 2012. And actually R&B declined a lot, from 30 to 12%. So we can calculate that it's a decline of 18%. So here is our first simple initial sentence. The share of R&B music experienced the sharpest decline of 18% over the 10-year period. So we want to add more information about R&B. So we want to write our second small sentence starting with words R&B. R&B was the second most popular genre in 2002 and 2007. Our new sentence is: the share of R&B music, comma, which was the second most popular genre in 2002, comma, experienced the sharpest decline of 18% over the 10-year period. So that's a good sentence. We can leave it like that. But we know that R&B actually fell to 3rd place in 2012. That's actually quite an important piece of information, so we can add it at the end of our sentence. We leave all our sentence like it was before, but then at the end we put a comma and say falling into 3rd place in 2012. And then our sentence is: the share of R&B music declined by 18%, falling into 3rd place. falling is a participle. That's another way of forming complex sentences, and I will make a separate video about it. Now let's come back to our main task for this video and look at some examples for task 2 essays. You can make a complex sentence for your task 2 essay in exactly the same way. So I will show you one example, but then I will tell you something new. Okay, our initial sentence is, watching TV discourages people from being physically active. And we want to add information about watching TV. And we need to write another simple sentence starting with words watching TV. Here it is. Watching TV has become the favorite pastime for many. And then our complex sentence is, watching TV, comma, which has become the favorite pastime for many, comma, discourages people from being physically active. In our previous examples, we always added extra information to the subject of the sentence, but you can insert this information into different parts of your sentence. Let me show you how you can do it. Okay, for example, let's add some extra information about being physically active. So we need to write a new sentence starting with words being physically active. Here it is. Being physically active is important for health and well-being. And our new sentence says, watching TV discourages people from being physically active, which is important for health and well-being. We could also add extra information to the word people. So we'll write a new sentence starting with the word people. People often feel tired after work. Be careful here. When we're talking about people, we don't use which. We use who. The rule is, use which when you're referring to things, and use who when you're referring to people. And our new sentence says, watching TV discourages people, comma, who feel tired after work, comma, from being physically active. Remember, that's only one way of making complex sentences. And if you want to get band 7 for your grammar, you need to use a variety of complex sentences. I have a video about a different type of complex sentence. You can watch it here. And you can also check the description box below in case I've published some new videos about this topic after this video, okay? Thank you so much for watching me. Good luck with your preparation. Bye!